Let's start the demo. In this application, we have the option to create categories of different construction materials and products under these categories. In the destinations, we can define freight and labor charges. Different destinations can have different values of freight and labor. More about these in the sale and purchase of cement. We can create areas, we can create salespersons. And when we create customers, the backend accounting system creates customer accounts under accounts receivable in the chart of accounts. Similarly, when we create supplier accounts, their accounts are created under accounts payable in the chart of accounts. We can create bank and credit card accounts. We have the option to add custom accounts to chart of accounts. We can receive payments from the customers. We can make payments to suppliers. We can make different freight and labor payments. We can add income. We can add expenses. And we can add journal transactions as well. Let's now move on to purchasing cement. In the purchase, when we choose a destination, the system reads freight and labor values, and these values are per bag. So if we are purchasing 70 ton, the cost will be calculated based on number of bags, which in this case is 1400. And the truck number is 3365. We will be using this truck number when selling these bags. Let's now sell these bags. So the truck number is 3365 and we are selling 600 bags at a rate of 680 rupees. We can also change the freight and labor in the case we have extra mileage. These two sales should be reflected in the customer ledgers as well as in the reports like stock report and the profit and loss report. Let's have a look at the customer ledger. And here is the profit and loss report. There are two ways we can sell cement using this software. One is to directly sell from the truck. And if we have a sale point, we can transfer bags from the truck to the sale point using this screen. And then we can sell from the sale point using this screen. The sale point has its own inventory and reports. In the steel, the system assigns a batch number to all the products in the list, and we will have to use that batch number in the sale. And the actual weight can be different from the supplier weight. Let's create a sale. Here the batch number is 2231. The cost is per kg as well as the rate. And here is the steel profit and loss report. And this report shows batch-wise sales and the remaining stock. The purchase and sale of girder is different from steel. Here we can purchase and sell in lengths as well as in weight, in the kgs. So if we enter 16 by 10, 18 by 20 and 20 by 30, it means we are purchasing 10 lengths of 16 feet, 20 lengths of 18 feet and 30 lengths of 20 feet, and the total feet is 1120. And we can also sell in lengths and in kgs. In the sale, we have to select a batch. We can sell in lengths as well as in kgs. Here is the stock report. And the profit and loss report. And we also have the option to purchase journal items. Journal item means that we just have to provide the quantity and the rate and nothing else. This section also has its own reports. In the payroll, we have the option to create employees. We can generate payrolls and we can issue payments to employees. And in the end, let's have a look at some reports. Here is a summary report. The data list. The creditor list. The profit and loss report. Trial balance. And the balance sheet. And that's all from this demo.